Hey everybody, it's Neil and I have some cable here. I have 50 feet of 18 AWG 4-pin electrical wire, and I'll show you guys this. I guess it comes with a Ziploc kind of cover, but it's sealed up at the top, so I don't know how I would be expected to open that other than this. Okay, so this is the wire here. It's a black spool, and I'll just try to open it up here and show you guys what these four little wires look like in here. And there we go. So I'm colorblind, so I can't tell what these colors are. Well, I can see black and white, and then maybe yellow, maybe red. I don't know. But these are the four colors, and so it's a nice little wire. So it'd be good for speakers or pretty much anything you want to do with some, little wires for. You could run it for, I don't know, doorbell or whatever. It's not twisted pair. You can't really use it for internet, but for most uses, it would be a nice wire. And it is, let's see, it says it's by ESHENG, PAL style something. I don't know, it's got a lot of stuff written on the side of it. But it basically says 18 AWG, I don't know if it's 80 degrees Celsius, 300 volts. Triumph cable, I guess that's the brand, is Triumph cable. So, nice cable, I like it, thumbs up.